Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling exact ingredients and ratios so the pudding sets without gelatin. Use 2 cups milk, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup cornstarch as the primary thickener. For chocolate pudding, add 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder. For vanilla, omit cocoa. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla and finish with 1 tablespoon unsalted butter for silkiness. A pinch of salt balances flavor. Non-dairy milks like almond or oat can replace 2 cups milk 1 to 1. Begin by whisking the dry ingredients. Combine 1/4 cup cornstarch with 1/3 cup sugar and a pinch of salt to evenly distribute the starch. Gradually whisk that dry mix into 2 cups cold milk so you form a lump-free slurry. Place over medium heat and stir constantly. The mixture will thicken as it approaches a simmer, typically in 2 to 3 minutes. Once thick, simmer 1 to 2 more minutes to cook the starch. Then remove from heat and stir in 1 tablespoon butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Once the pudding is flavored and smooth, pour it into individual bowls or a shallow pan. Immediately press plastic wrap onto the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Chill the pudding in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours so it fully sets. Chilling also improves flavor and texture. Serve chilled topped with whipped cream, fresh fruit, or a dusting of cocoa. You can reheat gently on the stove or microwave for a warm serving. Store leftover, putting in airtight containers in the fridge for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.